Okay, today we are getting ready to replace the tile in our kitchen. Our baseboard has a piece of quarter round mold right here that is separate. You can see here where we've already removed a piece, and the tile comes right up to the baseboard, and then it's covered up with the quarter round mold. And so then it's caulked top and bottom. So what we're going to do to remove it is we're going to first cut with a razor blade knife across the bottom to separate the caulk. And then we're going to come right here in the crack and separate it again. And then with a tool like this is a nail puller or a pry bar. We're going to separate the quarter round from the baseboard. Give it a little pry and it comes off. You can also come up from the bottom as well. It comes right off. Now you'll be left with some nails, so just tap those nails back in. Then you just need to trim the old caulk off and get it out of the way, and you're ready to go.